In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language Godaddy. If you want to view Godaddy in a different language or switch to a different country setting, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to the main Godaddy homepage and log into your account. Make sure you are on the official website before continuing. Once you are signed in, wait for the page to fully load so all of the site options are visible and ready to use. After you are on the home page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. This area is called the footer. On many websites, the footer contains important settings and links that are not always visible at the top of the page. In Godaddy, this is where you can find the language and regional preferences. When you reach the lower corner of the page, look for the option labeled Country and Language. This link usually shows the current regional setting that your account or browser is using. Click on that link to open the regional selection menu. Once the menu appears, you will see a grid or list of available countries and languages. Take your time here and choose the option that matches your preference. If you want the website displayed in another language, select that language if it is available. If you also need a different country version of the site, choose the correct regional option from the menu. This can be useful because some products, pricing, and support details may vary depending on the country you select. After you click your preferred country or language, Godaddy should update the website automatically. Give it a few seconds to refresh if needed. Once the page reloads, you should see the site displayed according to the setting you selected. If the change does not appear right away, try refreshing the page manually. In some cases, browser settings or saved cookies can affect how the site displays, so a refresh can help apply the update properly. That is the full process to change the language in Godaddy. It is quick, easy, and can be done directly from the footer of the homepage. That covers everything you need to know.